Now, instant gratification in skincare is something that we all crave for, and chemical peel is one of the skincare products that gives you the instant gratification that you really crave for in terms of smoother and brighter looking skin, and also minimizing the pores and helping you to achieving a much more poreless and clear skin. In this video, I am going to be talking about two such chemical peels present in the Indian skincare market. Both of them are from Derma, and I have two variants of them. The first one is perfect for beginners, also an upgraded version of that which is great for intermediates. Both of them are tried and tested on me, so if you are curious about the products, then stay tuned. Before delving into the review itself, I am going to be talking about what is chemical peel and how it exactly works. If you wish to skip this part, don't worry, all of the necessary links including the timestamp will be mentioned in the bottom box below. Now, chemical peels or exfoliating serums are such products that are highly concentrated in exfoliating acids such as AHAs or BHAs, and a good combination of both of them helps your skin in achieving that poreless and clear skin by exfoliating your skin and also speeding up your cell turnover process. Now, we all had that phase when we were obsessed with going to a parlor and getting facials. I know I was one of them, but one of the main concerns I suffered is that my skin was really sensitive, and whatever parlor that I went to did give me that glowing and instant gratification when I was there, like till the 5 to 10 minutes I was there after the facial. But as soon as I come home, my face becomes dull over the period of time. So that not only cost me money, but also my skin was at stake. I feel I get the same amount of benefit doing the chemical peel or using an exfoliating serum or using a chemical peel at home and following a good skincare regime. You can do the same by taking the 10 minutes challenge with this chemical peels. I am going to be talking more about that part, but first let's go to the review part of the video. The two products that I'm going to be talking about is first of all the 15% AHA plus 1% BHA beginner peeling facial solution, and I also have that 30% AHA plus 2% BHA face peeling solution, which is great for intermediates and have already used some kind of exfoliation or chemical peel in the past. Coming straight to the ingredient list now, because it is a peel, we are going to be talking about the AHAs and BHAs. You might be concerned about what is AHAs and what is BHA. AHAs are basically alpha hydroxy acid, which are water soluble, and BHAs are beta hydroxy acid, which are oil soluble. Some of the popular AHAs or alpha hydroxy acids are glycolic acid, lactic acid, and mandelic acid, and all three of them are present in both of the products in different concentration. We are going to be talking about the beginner's exfoliating peel first, then we are going to talk about the intermediate one. The 15% AHA plus 1% BHA has 5% glycolic acid, 5% lactic acid, and 5% mandelic acid. And in terms of BHA, it has 1% salicylic acid. Coming on to the 30% AHA plus 2% BHA face peeling solution, it has 10% of glycolic acid, 10% of lactic acid, and 10% of mandelic acid, with the inclusion of 2% salicylic acid as a BHA. Now, the ingredient list of both of them are identical, but the concentration of the AHAs and BHAs used are a little bit different. Now, chemical peels should always include a good combination of acids, obviously hydroxy acids such as AHAs and BHAs, but also it is really necessary to have some kind of calming or cooling or skin soothing ingredients so that it doesn't irritate your skin. Both of these products have a good combination of calming ingredients such as calendula, green tea extract, aloe leaf extract, and panthenol. And in terms of humectants, they both have sodium hyaluronate or hyaluronic acid and glycerin, and they both are completely free from fragrance and essential oils. Coming on to some other product specifications, starting with the texture. Now, in terms of texture, both of them are identical. Both of them are watery, has a little bit of reddish tint. Coming on to the packaging, both of them comes in glass dropper bottle, which is very convenient in terms of regulating how much you are going to put, because chemical peel is something that you do not want to overdo. Coming on to the potency, both of them obviously have different potency. The 15% AHA plus 1% BHA one is obviously the milder version or the beginner friendly version, and the 30% AHA plus 2% BHA is a more intermediate chemical peel. So if you are a beginner, choose the 15% one. If you are intermediate, choose the 30% one. It depends on who you are, what type of skin goals you are wanting to achieve, but both of them are really great and high in quality, so don't worry. And obviously do a patch test and then use it. Coming on to the price range, both of them are super affordable. Both of them comes in a 30 ml bottle. The 15% one costs something about 499 rupees, and the 30% one costs something about 599 rupees, which are super affordable, and you can get both of the products in their official website And by using this code right here, you get flat 20% off. These products are also available in Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. And don't worry, all of the necessary links would be mentioned in the bottom box below. Coming on to the application, which is the most important part of this video, because many people are confused about how you should use a chemical peel, and some people use it as a serum, which you should not. The correct way of using any type of chemical peel, and especially these peels which are really high in concentration, is first of all you need to cleanse your skin with a gentle and mild cleanser. You do not want to irritate your skin before or after a chemical peel, so use a mild cleanser, cleanse your face and pat your skin completely dry. Then apply the adequate amount of chemical peel, just enough to cover your face, your neck or anywhere you are applying. Just apply a thin layer and a uniform layer and leave it there for 10 minutes, not more than that. Avoiding the sensitive parts such as your eye and your mouth area. After 10 minutes, wash it off, pat it dry, and then follow it up with a good skincare routine which is really hydrating and moisturizing and calming. Avoid using high concentration of actives after you have used a chemical peel. You should always use a chemical peel like this at the night time, never at the daytime. And at the daytime, don't ever forget to apply a sunscreen, because when you do chemical exfoliation, your skin is much more susceptible to sun damage. So always, every day, 365 days a year, apply sunscreen on the daytime. A chemical peel is something that you don't do every single day. You only do it once a week, not more than that. You can also try the 10-minute glow challenge. Just use the product as I've told you, leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off. You will see that instant glow on your face. Your skin will be smooth. Your skin will be so dewy and glowy after you have used a chemical peel. That is something which is very comparable to a salon-like facial. An amazing initiative done by Derma is the Young Scientist, in which every time you purchase any products from the Derma website, they link that order to a child that they help to educate along with Bhumi. They have pledged to help over 10,000 plus students across the year. Coming on to my thoughts, I absolutely love these two products because not only they come in different concentrations for different people who have different needs in terms of exfoliation, but also the products are super mild, super gentle. They give you the exfoliation that you need. They give you that radiant skin, that clearer skin. Now, if you use a chemical peel, don't expect your skin to change overnight. You will get that glow, but over the course of 2 to 3 days, your skin will be much more clearer. You will be less prone to blackheads and whiteheads. Your sebaceous filaments will be less, and obviously you will have a much more poreless skin, and you will see that your pores have shrunk, not exactly shrunk. Your pores will be cleaned out, so it will be less visible. Coming on to the pros and cons of these two products, I don't have any cons, but the pros would be both of them are fragrance and essential oil free. Both of them are super affordable. Both of them comes in different concentrations, so it can cater to a larger variety of audience. Both of them have the right concentration of hydroxy acid or exfoliating acid and calming agents, which will ensure that you get the exfoliation, but also at the same time your skin doesn't get irritated by it. They're also easily accessible in India, and lastly, they suited my sensitive and combination skin. Coming on to my verdict, I highly recommend you guys to try and check out these products. Both of them are super high in quality. They also are fragrance free and affordable, so many of you guys might like it. And if you guys have used it, or if you're gonna buy it, let me know in the comment box below what was your experience. Like this video if you like my content. Share this video to any of your friends who is looking for that salon-like glow at home. And lastly, subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell notification, and I will see you in the next video. So bye bye and take care.